Action.
Welcome back to the channel. Here's another Cybertruck video for you to take a look at. I got this under the back seat storage system from Metro, and we're going to unpack it, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. I had another one from Tesla installed before, and I decided to check this one out to see which one is better at the end of the day. So I've got this halfway open here. Pretty much one system with some extra storage spots. You've got the strap here, just like the other one. Rear seat under storage box installation instructions. And you can see have you lifting up the seat in the back, which we've already done, and then setting this underneath and then strapping it in place. So really these straps are gonna go here. Pretty sure, yeah. Run them through like that, and then they'll come around and attach inside and get strapped there. And as you can see, they've got this strap kind of set up that you put it in here, and then you'll bring it back out and put it in there, so that it can get strapped and held right there. It's not overlapping that. So again, this is going to go in place here, right under where the seat goes. There's a spot right for it, and you see it can fit perfectly there. And then you strap it in. There's a bar that's in the back. That you wrap this around the bar, come back, strap it in place, and then you can adjust it and pull it tight. Okay, got that. And then you have these extra storage bins here that you can put this is the right way. Go right there. Clip into place, and then that one goes on that side. Let me go around and I'll show you how it gets hooked up. So again, there's a bar. It's in the back here. And it's gonna go over, come back around. And then snap in place here. And then you just adjust this as you need to close it up to make it look tighter. And probably might be easier just to bring this over the top so that you can adjust it easier. So you've got the pulling string here. adjust it by closing it into place. And then again, this goes here. And there you go. Fit nice and snug. You can drop the seat down, as you see. And then you can see that it's got a nice finish on the bottom and the other side there. So it looks very nice. I do like it because it has this extra storage space that separates the three. The other one that I had did not have this at all installed there. There we go. It did not have that installed, and I think that's a great feature that it has. So there you go. I recommend it, and we'll see you on the next video.